Hey everyone, Paul Hamilton here from UTB. This is a quick little idea about creating these custom comment banks that we can use on students' assignments to give some feedback. So I'm going to show you how to actually do that. Let's jump into it. I'm going into Keynote, and you can see here I've just got some simple shapes, and I've got some handwritten with Apple Pencil comments as well. On the right here, I've got like a little criteria of what I wanted the students to look at, and it could be a simpler case of actually saying that's been done well, that's been done well, that needs a little bit of an expansion in the resolution area here. And it's as simple as, because these are different elements, now with the Keynote update, we can just drag our finger quickly over those areas, group them, on a split screen, drag them into our comments. So they're sitting there for the entire time now, which is fantastic. Going back to pages, let's bring our photos back up in a split screen. Reduce that a little bit, and it's a simple case of actually dragging those on here. Now, when you drag them on, you'll notice that it kind of mucks up your text a little bit. So you need to hit the paintbrush and go to None, and that will allow it just to hover anywhere you want. And the great thing about this is you've got those comment banks, comments just sitting in your camera roll that you can reuse at any stage at all. And so after your students have submitted a little aspect here, you might put that over here and there, you can create these little comment banks, success criteria, learning intentions, anything that you want, and actually give some students just some quick feedback. And you can jazz them up a little bit with Keynote shapes and different things as well. But just a little idea of creating little comment bank comments for your students' assignments and projects that give some feedback going forward. Paul Hamilton here from UTB.